Want to read deleted WhatsApp messages? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, the most reliable method is you want to enable the notification history on your settings. This only works on Android device. So what you want to do is open up your settings, then tap on notifications. Now tap on advanced settings. Find the option of notification history and tap on that. Now, you want to enable this option. Go ahead and enable that. Once that is done, launch open the WhatsApp. Now, someone has sent me a message, but here it says that this message was deleted. No matter what you do, you're not able to check out this message. But if you have enabled that setting, you simply want to head over to settings, then find the option of notifications. Now tap on advanced settings, then tap on notification history. Since you enabled that option, as you can see, that message is still visible over here in the notification history. So you can simply read out the message from here even if it was deleted. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.